Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the duration of slides in your Canva video or presentation projects. So by default, in every page or in every slide that you have in your document, they will appear for exactly 5 seconds, and eventually it will move on to the second page, to the third page, etc. And every single one of them will have 5 seconds of duration to appear. But fortunately, we can always change the number. We can make it shorter, we can also make it longer. And here's how you can do it. So what you need to do is you have to open the timeline or open the thumbnail view. So click on this menu that says thumbnail view, and you want to enable duration. This is very important. And as you can see, every single slide in this document has exactly 5 seconds to appear. And if I converting this into a video or into an automated presentation slide, they will appear for 5 seconds. So how do you change that? Well, it's very simple. You can click and drag on any of these control points. I don't know the name of this, but basically you can click and then drag it to the left or to the right to make it shorter or longer, and then you can release it and the duration will be adjusted. Another alternative you can try is by clicking on the slide, and you can see there is this edit timing button. Click on it and you can manually adjust the number. And of course, you can also click apply to all pages, meaning that all the pages in this document will have exactly 3 seconds instead of 5 seconds. So that is one simple way to adjust the duration of slide or multiple slides in your document. So there you have it. That's exactly how you can change the duration of slides in your Canva video and presentation projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.